Hello, my name is Puppet. I am going to introduce a new show called Josh, Andrew, and the Puppet Boy. Okay, so, like, I'm a really good dancer. So, if you could, like, go along with it. Okay. I'm gonna introduce Josh and Andrew. This is Andrew.
Hey guys.
How do you like that? Now, Josh is not here right now, so I just have to go downstairs and get him. Okay, let's go. Oh no, I can't get up. I can't get up. Oh. Man, that hurt a lot. Okay, let's go. Okay, now Josh is like a really funny boy, so we're gonna go see him. Okay. Hi! And these are my two guys.
Hi. Okay. Oh shoot.
Oh no! I'm stuck.
Okay, today we are gonna go outside and do a race car track thingy in my body.
Yay! Let's go. Okay. Jacob, get out. That's Jacob. Say hi, Jacob.
Taking pictures.
No. I'm coming.
Stop it, 10 minutes later. No. Okay, so we're going outside, right?
Okay, we're outside.
Okay. We're outside.
Here we are.
We got
The racetrack.
Now we gotta get in our car. So let's go.
Here we go. Race cars.
10 minutes later. Okay. So here is the puppet in this car, and he will travel all the way down to the end and make the jump. Oh my God! OMG!
Here we go. There's the car. No. There it is.
So today, hopefully, he'll make it off the jump and land perfectly.
Yeah, I'm gonna just go down here. I'll tell you when to go. Okay. Go!
Okay! No!
Oh my God, he jumped.
Here we go! Okay, here we go!
Here we come.
Oh my God!
No! Puppet, no! Puppet.
Oh, what? There's a big hairy monster here! Let's go look at it! Come on, quick!
Oh my God! Where's the puppet? Go get the puppet.
Look at the big hairy monster!
Look at that! Go get the puppet. No. Puppet wants to look. I want to look. I can't get up without you. Go get it. Shh.
Here's the puppet!
Whoa! Oh my God!
Don't kill him! Okay. So we'll try again.
Oh my God! Oh my God! That is gross! Oh driving. Okay, 10 minutes later. Oh my God! I crashed into the little monster. It's okay. Mwah. Puppet! Survive!
10 minutes later.
He's right in the car. Okay, hopefully I don't.
Here we go.
Oh my God! Oh no, it didn't make it. I want you to go. Oh no.
Okay, well, the car survived, so let's go see how it's doing.
Let's go. Oh my God, it did it.
Oh, but it crashed at the end.
10 minutes later. Oh, I'm tangled up.
The puppet has survived,
Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah.
but the car has died.
Where's the big yellow thing? He's under that cup. Oh no!
Okay.
Oh,
Oh man, this is really tangled up.
oh my God. Okay, guys.
Guys, we need to do some surgery here.
Okay, so see you next time at Andrew, Josh,
And
and the puppet go to the park.